8 scoops of Milky Way. The Milky Way galaxy is a home of 100 billion stars other than our Sun. In this spiral galaxy, the Sun is halfway to the edge, revolving around the center of the galaxy at a speed of 500,000 miles per hour. Yet, it will take 200 million years to revolve around it. Around our Sun are revolving many asteroids, comets, and 8 scoops of wonders we call planets. These 8 planets make our solar system unique. Every planet is so different from each other that they hardly can be called from one family. The first and most nearest planet to our Sun is Mercury. Named after a Roman god, the swift messenger, it is the smallest planet with diameter of 3,032 miles, with one day equal to 176 of our days, and 1 year of 88 days. It lives in the most deadly zone of our solar system. High temperature and strong solar winds tear its atmosphere apart all the time, but Mercury keeps regenerating it. Mercury is a small wonder, for he endures despite the odds being stacked against him. The second planet from the Sun, Venus. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. But don't fall for the looks. Behind its beautiful face lies a vicious environment. It is covered by thick, swirling clouds of poisonous gases and droplets of acid that hide its surface from the view. Even though Mercury is closest to the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. About the same size and materials as the Earth, Venus has evolved entirely differently than Earth. Its surface is covered with volcanoes, and it is baking under a greenhouse atmosphere. Our mother planet Earth. In the vast realm of different worlds, this is the only place we can call home. Beneath swirling white clouds, here lies the most amazing and colorful view you can ever witness. The lush greens and browns of land and blue of ocean make this planet like a fairy's land. Earth's beauty lies in abundant quantities of water, and that compound has enabled life to exist on Earth. Elements like water, land and air are shaping the life on Earth. Furious ocean tides and energetic currents moves the heat all around the Earth. The tectonic plates shape the land and help moderate the climate system. Nature has evolved here in various shapes and sizes, from the sunrise till the twinkling shine of night sky. This world is full of colors, and we humans are the protector and guardian of this world. The brightest object seen in the night sky is the moon. Although the light it shines is reflected from the sun, it is an inspiration to all kinds of tales for centuries. The moon has no atmosphere, but has its own gravity, strong enough to stir our oceans. The Moon was a result of debris splashed into space when a large object collided with Earth 4 billion years ago. Yet, as a symbol of love and beauty, it's an undivided part of our home. Our closest neighbor, Mars, named after the Roman god of war. Mars is familiar and bizarre at the same time. The Martian day is just a little longer than ours, and also it has 4 seasons like ours. Like Earth, Mars has volcanoes, mountains, dried-up riverbeds, canyons, deserts, and polar ice caps. But then it is also different. The sky of Mars is pink and the sunsets are blue. Like any other planet, Mars has experienced the processes of plate tectonics. But before it started rolling everything up like Earth, time just stopped here. Today, Mars stands as the best example to understand how our existence came into life. And at the same time, it's a curious question that what stopped this planet to become a second home, just like ours. When we leave Mars to go further, we cross a fine line made of chunks and debris. We call this line the asteroid belt. These asteroids are chunks of rock and metal orbiting the Sun. They are loose material whose fate never allowed them to become a planet. After the asteroid belt, we witness the biggest gas giant of our solar system, Jupiter. Named after the ancient Greek god Zeus, Jupiter is full of enormous angry storms and whirlpools. It has no visible surface, and this planet is so big that it can fit most of the solar system in it. Despite the fact that its great red spot is a storm so huge that it can swallow 3 Earths, Jupiter is the silent guardian of Earth from the outer attacks of asteroids and comets. Through its strong gravity, it swallows most of the comets who tries to cross our path. Saturn, the second biggest planet of our solar system, yet its complete mass is surprisingly lesser than water. Saturn's surface is a good learning point to understand Earth's initial vicious journey towards a breathing surface. Named after the Roman god of agriculture, Saturn can also be called Lord of the Rings. 891 million miles away from the Sun, it possesses the widest and beautiful set of rings. These revolving rings of small ice chunks makes it the most photogenic planet of our solar system. Cross Saturn, and you'll find yourself looking at the sleeping planet of our family, Uranus. Named after the Roman god of sky, Uranus, with a tilt of 97 degrees, carries a longer summer daytime of 21 years, as well as the longest winter nighttime of 21 years. It is believed that Uranus was impacted by a large Earth-size impactor, and this caused the planet to tip over on its side. At the end of our planetary countdown, here lies the beautiful blue planet. Named after the Roman gods of ocean, Neptune is the furthest and coldest planet of our family. Hidden inside the thick sheet of atmosphere, Neptune is the windiest planet of all. It possesses a chunky ring system which is not uniform like Saturn. Neptune is a smart thief. Slowly and deliberately, it captures other dwarfs. Its moon Titan is not owned but captured from space due to the strong gravitational field of Neptune. As you've seen, our family has the most bizarre and unique planets, yet they create a perfect harmony and balance you can ever find. From the toughest surface of Mercury to the icy and windiest world of Neptune, this solar system is a jewel in the crown of the shining Milky Way.